Hello everyone. So this is how I make fried rice. The first ingredient you'll be needing is garlic. The next one you'll be needing is Chinese style sausage. This is optional. The next ingredient you'll be needing is a medley of vegetables. I'm using frozen because it's easier, but if you prefer fresh, then go ahead. The next ingredient you'll be needing is lots and lots of rice. The next thing you'll be needing is mirin. The next one you'll be needing is chili garlic sauce. And also you'll be needing soy sauce. And I know it's out of focus, it's old footage from 2017, and because I was lazy to film the updated version, I'm just gonna say it right now. Basically, I just added salt and pepper and sesame oil to the mix. Also, like I said, for the Chinese style sausage, it's optional. I usually use tofu because that's what we have in hand. You can use both. I also do a kimchi fried rice and I use the same steps. I just add kimchi and like spam, or you can go with tofu and kimchi. It's up to you, whatever you want to put in this fried rice. It's not the most traditional fried rice. I don't use egg, and a lot of fried rices have egg, but my mama, she's allergic, so no eggs in this household. But anyways, basically that's the updated version. I just add salt and pepper and sesame oil. It's just a nice touch. I fried the garlic first, and then the vegetables, and then whatever choice of protein, and then that's when I add the rice. And usually it's like cold rice or it's like a day old, but you can use fresh rice. It doesn't really matter. This was like leftover rice, so I didn't want it to go to waste. But yeah, so you fry. I usually try to make sure the rice is not clumpy before I start adding all like the soy sauce, the mirin, the sesame oil. I try to make sure it's not clumpy. I just, my train of thought of the word I was gonna use is just not there. Anyways, and then I just fry it until it looks like how I want it to look, I guess. Sorry for this instructions. Also, I don't use measurements, I just go by taste. But yeah, it's all in the preference, yo. But yeah, this is how I make fried rice. Hope you guys like the recipe. It's simple, it's fast. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and comment. Just comment what's your favorite kind of fried rice. Like, what do you like in it? Yeah, let's be interactive. Anyways, thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace.